Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to create chalk or line artifact in Photoshop. First of all, select a picture for which you want to create this effect. Then from filters, select stylize and hit find edge. After that, go to image, select adjustment and hit desaturation. Again, go to image, adjustments and then invert. Here to go. Your chalk or line artifact in Photoshop is ready. Select this image, go to green screen, adjust this image on your artboard, align it, and from layer, select screen option. In the similar way, we can create line or chalk effect for different colors.